Hello everyone, welcome back to my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. While going through this Excel tutorial journey, today we are going to start our 18th lecture and uh, let's take a look at another Excel or the basic Excel function. We just got done looking at sum function and the mean max function. Now let's take a look at the average function. Okay, so now think of average, what type of math goes into completing an average, right? Now I want to be able to take the cells here from B4 to B8. This is January's amount here for our different bills, and I want to be able to find out what the average amount is. Well, normally if I'm going to write this out on paper or grab my calculator, I would take all those numbers, I would add them up 1000 plus 100 plus 150 plus 300 plus 100, and then I would divide that by the number of entries. In this case it is 1 2 3 4 5, right? And that would give me the average. Now that's quite a bit of maths going on. Well, thankfully built into Excel we have the average function that does all of that for us. All we need to do is use the average function until the range of the cells that we want to find the average of, and then do the rest of the maths by the Excel. Let's take a look here. So I'm going to go to cell B13. Okay, and this is where I put my average label earlier. Now once I'm here, I'm going to go back to my formulas tab. Okay, I'm going to go back to the maths and trigonometry, and to find average, AVER, average not there. Where's the average? I mean, that's math, isn't it? Average. My eyes are not seeing here right. But all right, well, let's see. If I go to the more function here, I go to the statistical and right there. So I got my average here. All right. So once again, we talked about this earlier. It's like, well, you need to learn where these functions are at, or you can go back to that FX button. You go to this FX button, you will find it here, that little FX, or you can even find it up at your formulas tab as well. And you can go search for it in there, just type in the term and it will find it for you. So it will take some practice in getting used to book we should be going into. So more functions, statistical, and I go an average here, right? I actually see there are a few different types of averages in there, but I will just grab the one which is the plain average. All right, so here I am. Now would B11 to B12, well, that's not what I want, right? Excel's trying to be helpful, but it grabs the mean and max values. So I'll delete this out, and I'm going to go grab the B4 to B8 values from here. All right, and it should feel very similar to the sum or mean and max functions, but it's an average. Now hit OK, and the month of January 2018 I have got an average of 330. That's simple, using the average function and giving it the proper range of cells. So try that out, and again complete the rest of them, get them mean and max and the average of each of the months. All right, so we'll meet up in the next session. Till that time, goodbye and take care.